And politics, well, it's very complex, but at the end of the day, I think it comes down to courage. The courage to go against powerful vested interests. I'm reminded of the speech the Cowardly Lion gives in Wizard of Oz. Remember this one?
Courage. What makes a king out of a slave? Courage. What makes the flag on the mast to wave? Courage. What makes the elephant charge his tusk in the misty mist or the dusky dusk? What makes the muskrat guard his musk? Courage. What makes the Sphinx the seventh wonder? Courage. What makes the dawn come up like thunder? Courage. What makes the Hottentot so hot? What puts the ape in apricot? What have they got that I ain't got? Courage. You could say that again.
And it is true. If you really ask yourself, why haven't I, a denizen of the rich industrial North filled with privilege, implemented as many of the drawdown solutions as I can? The answer, if you look deep inside, has to be our lack of courage. So we could rewrite the scene with the Cowardly Lion thus. What keeps me from composting or grinding up all of my food waste so it can turn back into fuel and fertilizer? A lack of courage. What makes me continue to cut the grass instead of planting perennials and shrubs and trees in its place? A lack of courage. What makes me send my SHIT and urine into a mega-sized and always overwhelmed multi-million-dollar waste treatment facility when I could keep my nitrogen and phosphorus on site and turn it into soil through a compost toilet or renewable energy through a home biodigester? A lack of courage. What makes me throw out single-use plastic soiled with organic material that ends up in landfills, emitting methane or in the ocean killing wildlife? A lack of courage. What makes me continue to use soil-destructive, health-compromising, non-nutritional cash crops and to eat wheat, rice, corn, potatoes, and sugar and meats that are grown in the same agro-industrial system? A lack of courage. What makes the Earth a planet that's getting so hot? A lack of courage. What's killing the apes in the rainforest so I can eat cookies and ice cream and use cosmetics made with palm oil, though I know I should not? A lack of courage. What do people who strive every day to use simple technologies and lifestyle changes to live in a climate drawdown way got that I ain't got? Courage.